Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you all are staying safe and following all SOPs. Today I will show you how to make very tasty brownies, which is very easy to make. My friend will also present another very tasty recipe. So let's start. First I will show you the things that you will need, ingredients, and then the process of making it. You will need 3/4 cup melted butter, 1/4 cup crushed sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, 4 ounces of melted chocolate, 4 ounces of chocolate pieces. So you will need 8 ounces of dark chocolate combined, the pieces and the melted one. 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, first add 3/4 cup melted butter, then add 1/4 cup crushed sugar, then mix it well. Now add 2 eggs one by one. First add 1, then mix, and then add 1, and then again you have to mix. Mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. Now add 4 ounces of melted dark chocolate. And then again mix it well. After mixing it well, now add 1/4 cup cocoa powder and then mix it again at low speed. Now we will add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. First we will add half of it, then mix it well. Then we will add the other half and then mix it again. Now we will add 4 ounces of crushed pieces of dark chocolate and we will fold it lightly with the help of spatula. Now we will pour the mixture in baking pan that is already greased and then bake for 25 to 30 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. You can see how good it looks from inside, guys, and I just tasted it. It's just delicious. Finally, I decorated it by putting some Nutella on top and sprinkles. I hope you liked this recipe. Now, my friend Aisha will present another very tasty recipe. Continue watching.
I hope you guys are safe and following precautionary measures due to Corona. So today I'm going to share with you a recipe of making the easiest pasta at home with fewer ingredients, which are available at any place or any area. Most probably they are even available at your own home. So let's begin with the recipe. We will need a milk pack cream, salt according to your taste and black pepper according to your taste. Few sausages cut into slices, 2 to 3 mushrooms cut into pieces, half side of boneless chicken cut into pieces, some finely chopped onions. I add them because I want to give my pasta a little sweet taste. Half cup milk or according to your taste, or even on the consistency you want of the cream. Chicken powder for the sauce, half tablespoon. Mixed herb, half teaspoon according to the quantity of the pasta. Half teaspoon chili flakes or according to your taste. Half teaspoon mixed herbs. Penne pasta. I am making pasta for one person, so the ingredients and quantity of the ingredients are according to this quantity of pasta. So now let's get started with the chicken. A few drops of oil. I'm going to add the chicken into the oil. And add pepper and salt according to my taste into them. You can see the chicken is almost done. I'll fry it for 1 more minute. So now let's begin with the main process of making the actual pasta. I'm going to add a few drops of oil. And now I'm going to add the finely chopped onions into the oil. Now I'm going to add mushrooms, sausages, and the fried chicken. I'm going to fry them for a while. Add the milk into it. It's time to add pasta. I'll keep a low flame so that the milk won't dry really quick. You can see it's not creamier. Of course, I haven't added the cream yet. Once I'll add the cream, it will get a little more creamier. Now we are going to add all the spices. Mixed herbs, oregano, chicken powder, chili flakes, and salt and black pepper to taste. Now I'm going to mix them well. Now it's time to add cream. I'm going to add cream according to my taste or how much I want it to get thick. It's less than a half cup. If I want to make it a little more creamier, I'll add more milk. You can see the pasta is ready, creamy, exactly like I want it to be. So the pasta is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my recipe and stay tuned.